Myself PC Pandey, Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As you know that by Tagore Public School, online classes will be delivered continue. You see my video regular and like, share and subscribe. Today I tell you about the optical instruments. Optical instruments are those devices which are used to see magnified images of small object. ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऐसे डिवाइस होते हैं जिनके हेल्प से स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट को मैग्नीफाइड फॉर्म में देखा जा सकता है। ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट के बारे में बताने के पहले मैं एंगल ऑफ विजन के बारे में चर्चा करूंगा। एंगल ऑफ विजन किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा आई पर बनने वाले एंगल को एंगल ऑफ विजन कहते हैं। एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय एनी ऑब्जेक्ट एट द आई इज नोन एज एंगल ऑफ विजन। सपोज दैट एनी ऑब्जेक्ट AB is placed in front of the eye and by this object AB, angle made at the eye is represented as alpha. Here alpha is angle made at eye by object AB. So alpha is known as angle of vision. So we can define angle of vision as the angle subtended by any object at the eye is known as angle of vision. If the angle of vision is large, then object is appear large. If angle of vision is small, then object appear small. किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा आई पर जो एंगल बनता है वो एंगल ऑफ विजन होता है। अगर एंगल ऑफ विजन स्मॉल है, एंगल ऑफ विजन की वैल्यू स्मॉल है तो ऑब्जेक्ट स्मॉल दिखती है। एंगल ऑफ विजन लार्ज है तो ऑब्जेक्ट भी लार्ज दिखती है। दिस इज द रीजन दैट व्हाई the large object placed at large distance see small, but the small object placed at near to eye is see large. एंगल ऑफ विजन के कारण ही लार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस पर है तो भी दिखने में स्मॉल दिखती है। लार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट जो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस पर होती है वो दिखने में स्मॉल होती है और नियर की स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट भी लार्ज दिखती है, क्योंकि नियर ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा आई पे जो एंगल बनता है उसकी वैल्यू स्मॉल होती है, लार्ज होती है। नियर के स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा भी आई पे बनने वाले एंगल ऑफ विजन की वैल्यू लार्ज होती है। इसीलिए नियर की स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट भी लार्ज दिखती है, जबकि लार्ज डिस्टेंस पे प्लेस्ड large ऑब्जेक्ट भी दिखने में स्मॉल होती है, क्योंकि बनने वाले एंगल ऑफ विजन की वैल्यू स्मॉल होती है. So it is clear that angle subtended by any object at eye is known as angle of vision. This is the reason that why moon appear small in night while it is large size, because the angle subtended by moon at eye is small, so moon appear small when it is seen in night. Now we discuss about optical instrument. First of all, we study about simple microscope. Simple microscope. Simple microscope. Simple microscope is generally a convex lens of short focal length to used for seeing small object as a large form. In simple microscope, there is a convex lens of short focal length. Since we know that when any object is placed between the focus and optical center of the convex lens, then its magnified image is formed towards the object side, which is erect, virtual. This is the principle of microscope. So microscope, simple microscope is simply a convex lens, a convex lens, a convex lens of short focal length, of short focal length, can be used to see magnified image of the small object, So we can define simple microscope as a convex lens of short focal length can be used to see magnified image of the small object. It's called simple microscope. Simple microscope. Principle of simple microscope. Principle of simple microscope. Simple microscope. When a small object is placed between the focal length and optical center of convex lens, then its magnified image is formed towards the object side, which is erect, virtual, and magnified. When an object, when an object, or you can say that when a small object, when a small object is placed between is placed between focus and the center of curvature and the optical center, sorry, when a small object is placed between focus and the optical center and the optical center of the lens of the lens, then its erect, then its erect, virtual, and magnified image is formed. Magnified image is formed. This is the principle of simple microscope. This is the principle of simple microscope. Simple microscope. हमें यह ज्ञात है कि जब कोई स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के फोकस और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में रखी जाती है तो इसका ऑब्जेक्ट साइड में इन्वर्टेड, इरेक्ट, वर्चुअल और मैग्नीफाइड इमेज ऑप्टेन होता है। यही सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप का प्रिंसिपल है। When a small object is placed between focus and the optical center of the lens, then its erect, virtual and magnified image is formed. This is the principle of simple microscope. Now we tell you out the working function. Working function. Working function. First of all, we placed small object in front of eye at the least distance of vision. When it does not see clear, then we place this small object between the optical center and focus of the convex lens. So its virtual, erect and magnified image is obtained. So here we tell you about least distance of vision. For seeing any object clearly and distant, we placed any object at 25 centimeter from the eye. This distance is known as least distance of distinct vision. The least distance of distinct vision is represented as capital D and its value is 25 सेंटीमीटर। किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को क्लियर देखने के लिए आई के सामने जितने डिस्टेंस पे रखते हैं वो डिस्टेंस लिस्ट डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट विजन कहलाती है और इसकी वैल्यू 25 सेंटीमीटर होती है। सो वी कैन से दैट लिस्ट डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट विजन is the distance of any object placed in front of the eye so that it is seen clearly and distinct and its value is 25 centimeter. So we placed any object in front of the eye at distance d when it is not see clear. Let this is convex lens. O is optical center. F1, F2 are its focus. Any object AB is placed. Any object AB is placed in front of the convex lens at distance d, but it does not see clear because the angle subtended by this object at the eye is small. Let the angle subtended at the eye by this object AB is alpha when it is placed at D. Now this object AB is placed between focus and optical center of the convex lens. O is optical center. This is L is a convex lens of short focal length. O is its optical center. F1 and F2 are focus of the convex lens. Let object AB is placed between focus and optical center. So its virtual, erect and magnified image is formed. Object AB एक स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट है, AB इज स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट। इस स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट का मैग्नीफाइड इमेज ऑब्टेन करना है तो इस ऑब्जेक्ट AB को कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के ऑप्टिकल सेंटर और फोकस के बीच रखते हैं। अब इस ऑब्जेक्ट AB का इमेज ऑब्टेन करते हैं। इसके लिए एक लाइट रेज, वन लाइट रेज प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल पास होती है और सेकेंड लाइट रेज इसके ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास होती है। द लाइट रेज which is passing through the optical center is going without deviation, and another light rays which is passing parallel to the principal axis after reflection from the lens going from the focus, when we draw these reflected light rays on the back side, then we see that these are meat. So we can say that magnified image is formed as A dash B dash by the lens L. Now we see that when the distance of object from the lens changes, then the distance of image also changes. Now the position of AB is adjusted as such that its image is formed at the distance D. So here we can see that the solution CV dash, the length CV dash is equal to the length of the object AB, and here angle subtended on I by image A dash B dash is beta, and when object AB is placed at distance D, then angle subtended on I is given as alpha. Here value of alpha is small, but value of beta is more than alpha. So the side of the image A dash B dash is often magnified, and this distance is taken as U, and this distance is taken as F, where F is the focal length of the lens, U is the distance of object which is placed between optical center and focus of the lens, and here D is the distance of image formed as A dash B dash, and this distance also equal to V, but here AB is adjusted as such that this image A dash B dash is formed at D. AB ऑब्जेक्ट को इस तरह एडजस्ट करते हैं कि इसका इमेज डी डिस्टेंस पर बने। अब इसके मैग्नीफाइंग पावर से मैग्नीफाइंग पावर ऑप्शन अप करते हैं, magnifying power, magnifying power, magnifying power is defined as the ratio of angle subtended by image at the eye to the angle subtended by object at the eye when object is placed at distance d. Magnifying power, it is defined as the ratio, it is defined as the ratio of angle subtended by image, angle subtended by image at the eye to the angle subtended by object at eye when object is placed at D. इमेज के द्वारा आई पे बने एंगल ऑफ विजन और डी डिस्टेंस पे ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा आई पर बने एंगल ऑफ विजन के रेशियो को मैग्नीफाइंग पावर बोलते हैं. सो मैग्नीफाइंग पावर, here we can write magnifying power M is equal beta by alpha, where beta is angle subtended by object, where beta is angle subtended by image A dash B dash at the eye. Here we placed our eye near to the lens. Suppose that this is our eye, which is just close to the lens. So beta angle is formed at the center, but it appears that it is formed at our eye. So beta is angle subtended by image at the eye, and alpha is the angle subtended by object at eye when object is placed at distance d. If alpha and beta are small, so we can say that M is equal tan beta by tan alpha, since alpha and beta are small. Now from the here we see that beta angle is formed by the image A dash B dash, but here we see that the right angle A dash B dash O and right angle ABO, right angle A dash B dash O and right angle ABO, these are similar. This is virtual image. So here we consider angle ABO. So from angle ABO, from the right triangle ABO, tan beta is equal OB, AB by OB. Similarly, from right angle CB dash O, CB dash O, tan alpha is equal CB dash by B dash O, B dash O. But here we see that the length CB dash is equal AB, but CB dash is equal AB, hence we can write tan alpha is equal CB dash AB dash by B dash O. Hence magnifying power, therefore magnifying power of the microscope is the simple microscope का magnifying power m is equal, now putting value of tan beta and tan alpha, here we see that tan beta is equal AB by OB and whole by AB by B dash O. So AB to AB cancel and this is equal B dash O by OB. Now putting the value of B dash O and OB, we find out magnifying power of the simple microscope. M is equal, the distance B dash O is equal D, and the distance OB, this is equal to minus U. So this is equal, because these are on left sides, so M is equal D by U. This is equation first. Now here we see that there are two cases arises. First, when final image format when image form at the least distance of distinct vision, that is D. When image is formed at distance D, so from the lens formula, 1 by F is equal 1 by V minus 1 by U. Now here we put on the place of V minus D, minus 1 by minus U, because object is placed at left side and image is formed at distance D, which is also left side. So 1 by F is equal minus 1 by D plus 1 by U, or this can be written as 1 by D plus 1 by F is equal 1 by u. Now multiply on both sides by d. So this is equal to d by d, or d by d plus d by f is equal d by u. Taking so here we can write on the place of d by u, this is equal to 1 plus d by f is equal d by u. Or we can say that the value of d by u is equal to 1 plus d by f. Hence, we put this value of d by u in equation first. From equation first, the magnifying power m is equal 1 plus d by f. This is the formula for magnifying power of the simple microscope when image is formed at distance d. If image is formed at infinite, second condition, when image formed at infinite, अगर इमेज a dash b dash infinite distance बने, but we know that image is formed at infinite when it is placed at the focus. So here we put the value of u is equal f. When this object AB is placed at the focus of the lens, then image is formed at infinite. So from equation first, hence from equation first, we find out magnifying power of the simple microscope when image formed at the infinite, m is equal d by f. So we can say that when image is formed at distance d, then magnifying power m is equal 1 plus d by f, and when image is formed at d, then magnifying power of simple microscope m is equal d by f. So I stop today my class. Thank you.